Yes, I got the new Asus TUF Gaming A15, the Ryzen 7 6800. Alright. Okay. Come on, pull out, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. I think these are the stickers. Wow, nice. Free stickers. Laptop itself. Let's open it. Open it. How can I hold this without it's so hard to hold this. Let's put it back. Okay. Alright. This is the laptop. The laptop itself. I have to stop. Very nice. Just put it down. And then the charger and the manuals. Manuals included. Right side we got this one. Left side we got the power adapter. This is the power adapter. And remove it from the plastic. This is 200 watts. Weighs about maybe half kilo or 0.5 pounds. Alright, let's do this, baby. No more side back, nothing. No more inside the box. Let's open it one hand. Nice and easy. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice laptop. Zoom it. So shiny. Now let's open it, but first we have to plug the power. Let's test the online power button, baby. Power button. Alright, let's put our my mouse pad I bought 19 real. Just a moment, please. Here is my mouse pad. Micro guard. Yeah, there. And our mouse. Our mouse. Should be region Saudi Arabia. Oh, let's just say United States.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control.
US, of course. Skip. DSP 5G Wi-Fi. Connected now. Next. Checking for updates, baby. I think this is Windows 11. Look at the RGB keyboard. Very nice. The RGB keyboard, my friend. Making sure you have latest. This is my mouse. So good with the mouse pad, you know. There's no hassle and the very swift. Very swift, see? Very swift. I like it. I like the feeling. Very nice. Says it will restart. Updates are underway. You know, this one must be a little bit cheaper when they don't have operating system installed. And this one is the exhaust fan, I think. Exhaust system. License agreement. Accept my new name device. Right, here we go. Here we go. This is my old laptop. Look. This is my old laptop. It's very good also. You know, I've used it many times. It's a good laptop. You know, HP EliteBook 8440p. It's a good laptop. Okay, we'll wait for a while and I'll update. Oh, okay, we're here already. We're here already. Come on. Microsoft account. Create a pin. Let's create a pin. I created a pin. Set up a new device. Location, yes. Find my device, yes. Timing, advertisement video. Okay. Business. Look at the colorful keyboard. This one offers a free Office 365. Really? What's this? Trial of Microsoft expired. How many days? Oh no, no more. Decline. Continue. Alright, so this is my new laptop, Asus TUF Gaming A15. This is very good laptop, the best. Best of the best. It's the best laptop ever. It's the best laptop. Mabruk. Bye bye.